So we have a little Cajun seasoning here, not too hot. And what we want to do is just season the chicken lightly. So we're going to head over to the flat top and we're going to sear this black, like blackened chicken.
This gives the chicken a nice flavor and a nice color.
Caramelization is bringing out the natural sugars of the onion. When they get caramelized, we're going to turn the spinach into this pot. We're just going to wilt the spinach, which means just cook it for a short period of time. We're going to bring over the other pot. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our chicken in that pot. You see the smoke coming off? Not to be alarmed, we want to get some deep, dark color in here, so it's not a problem at all.
Now you can really start smelling all of the flavors of this dish, and it's really starting to come together.
This will cook another 10-12 minutes. So now bring these onions and spinach up to heat.
For plating, we're going to take a nice scoop of our sauteed spinach and our sauteed onions. Once we have our chicken on the plate, get some more color in there and some more sausage. Our lemon for our garnish, a little bit of chives, and a little bit of parsley. And that is our chicken Creole.